to understand is that the eggs that are out in 1 month are all the eggs we have to work with. So when we start talking about egg freezing or IVF, I can only get the eggs that have been sent out of the vault in that month to grow. I cannot tap into the vault. And this is why if you've had friends go through IVF or egg freezing, and it sounds random, somebody got 6 eggs and somebody had 24, somebody had to do multiple cycles or months. Sometimes, in order to help somebody get enough eggs to have a normal embryo, what we have to do is multiple months. So the 10 eggs that are available this month, I'm going to get them all to grow, not just the one you are normally going to ovulate. Take those eggs out of the body. And then next month, when your body gives me another group of 10, I'm going to get them all to grow. Take those eggs out of the body. That is ovarian stimulant, where we're running out of time, and I'm trying to expedite your opportunity for conception. So women have this decline in the total number of eggs you're going to have. When you're 37, I think the numbers that you have close to 20,000 eggs remaining. So what a huge drop from when you started puberty at 500,000. So it's just going down so fast every single month. What is also happening is that because the salts inside our body, when you smoke the cigarettes, when you eat processed foods, when you get sick, if you have chronic inflammation, you're losing some, but the ones that are here at the bottom, they've been here the whole time. And so in addition to number of eggs, we have to talk about the quality of the eggs, because these eggs, down here at the bottom, once you get older, they've been sitting here a long time. And that means that their chromosomes inside of them are much more normal. And that's really the rate limiting step in people getting pregnant when they're older. Not that my vault is